Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome back to my channel Positive Attitude. So today I'm feeling a little bit hot because since 3 days the weather is hot, and from 8th May I heard that it will going to be much more hot. So you have to be very careful. You have to drink a lot of water. Alright. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How are you all doing? If you ask me, I'm feeling hot since 3 days. And I heard that from 8th May it will going to be hot weather for few days, maybe for a week or more. So what I did is I made from my old t-shirt. I took some old t-shirt and I requested someone to make me some scarf like this, alright, which is cotton. So if I feel hot, if I feel the sweat, so that I can wipe it directly. And the second thing is what we need to do is we need to drink a lot of water, right? So please drink a lot of water, guys. Alright, so today I will going to show you another variety of mangoes which is known as Pyri. Let me show you these ones. Alright, so these ones are known as Pyri. See? So in the beginning, like when I was taking knowledge of mangoes, so I was very confused that I didn't know which mango is which one, right? So this one you can make out with this part. If you see this carefully, you can see this part is little bit out, right? So that's how I make out that this is Pyri. And with the smell, I know the smell. So this is Pyri locally from Goa. Okay, and this I like the taste of the Pyri, guys. It tastes like more or less like mango fruity, if you know, right? Okay, so let me show you more of this. Okay, Pyri. So this is Pyri. This one is damaged. Alright, so okay, I got one more. This one, which is joint. So very rarely we see something like this. So I have seen mangoes like this for the first time, the joint one. Otherwise I have seen bananas and other fruits which are joined. But mangoes I have saw for the first time like this. Pyri. And the color of this mango also looks good. See some. Let me show you more. Pyri, local mango of Goa. So as I had told you last time, guys, that you have to pick and pluck the matured ones. So how to make out the matured ones? You know that, right? So the top part should be round and the stem part should go a little bit inside like this, right? So this is not matured. This is not round, not properly round, and the stem part is not gone inside, right? Alright, so I like the color, red, green, yellow. Alright, Pyrie. So for more information about the mangoes, please subscribe to my channel, and to enjoy my videos, please comment down in my comment section what else you want you can just suggest me how to make the videos more interesting. Alright, so these videos I'm doing right now about mangoes, because I cannot move out much to take the interviews of the successful personalities. Alright, so that's what is my aim, to take the interviews of the successful heroes. But right now, since because of this coronavirus, I cannot move out much. I'm just going to the tree to pluck the mangoes and coming back home. So but I have spoken to quite a few successful heroes who are ready to give their time to me for the interview, but for that I think I have to wait for some more days because of this coronavirus. So to know more about the successful heroes of Goa, please subscribe to my channel, and please share this link to your friends, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Alright.